Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today in this episode of 5-Minute Java, I'll be going over the main method. So the main method is one of the most important things in Java, and today I'll be showing you how to use it and also breaking down what it means. And really quickly before the video starts, make sure to subscribe for more Java and programming videos. I'll be continuing these 5-Minute Java videos as well, so make sure to subscribe for that. Anyway, let's get started. So the main method looks like this. You go public, static, void main, string, open bracket, close bracket, and then args. And then open curly brace, and then enter. So this is the whole main method, and I'm just going to break it down each step. So the first thing here, public, that means this method can be run anywhere, and so that way the Java compiler can run it. Static means it does not change. If it's a not static, that means it changes with each object of the class, but this is static because it always stays the same. The variables that are using here don't change for each object of the class. The void means it doesn't return anything, which is pretty straightforward because you don't have a return statement at the end of this method. This right here, main, is very important because it has to be that way. Because if you change that name to something else, the Java compiler or the thing that's running your Java code wouldn't know that this is the main method because it looks for that keyword. And then in a parameter of this main method, so we have main and you have your parameter, you have string as a string array, and you call that string array args. So this can be changed. This doesn't have to be args. This can be a or arguments or anything you want. Most commonly, it's just called args. And this is a string array of command line arguments from Java. I'm not fully sure what that really means, but that's just what it does. I've never used this args right here, so I doubt you'd use it unless you're more advanced in programming. So yeah, and if you're wondering what the main method means, why it's so special, the main method is the method that lets you do things pretty much in your program. So when you run your Java program, this is what is kind of executed, and everything kind of stems from this one method. So if I wanted to print out hello world, for example, I would have to do it within this main method. So in here I have it in my main method. If I run it, I get hello world. But if I were to move this, say outside of my main method and try to run it, I would get an error. It doesn't even want to let me run it because there's an error right there. Or if I tried to rename this to say my method and I tried to run it from there, I would get an error because there is no main method found. So that's what I mean when I say that it explicitly looks for a main method, because it says it's looking for a main method. It needs this particular to be the name of the method. And this is exactly how you write the main method, which is what I would do if I change this back to main. Then if I run it, it would work. So yeah, I know it's a bit of a short video, but that's just a quick overview of what this method means. Be sure to subscribe because I'm going to do a giveaway when I get to 5,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of this year. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.